Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got an update on a template here. It is the Sales Pipeline Manager Google Sheet, and the update is I've converted the Google Sheet to an Excel version. So now when you purchase it, there'll be you'll get both the Google Sheet template link and the Excel download. So I just had to clean it up a little bit. There's some dynamic arrays in this. You have to have Office 365 to use the Excel version. You also need to be a part of the Insiders program, which is free to sign up for, and that gives you access to the dynamic array functions, which are only available in um, uh, for Excel Office 365 users and part of the Insiders program. So the sheet works just the same as the Google Sheet template. Uh, all the summaries are the same. The data entry is the same. The conditional formatting works. You can enter, customers over time, their status in your pipeline. Also reports on customer type. You've also got report by account executive or salesman, and also by the annual dollar value of the client. This these dynamic tabs here will automatically populate, and this is the little tricky part I had to do is the formula for this to make this automated. As you change, data in here, like let's say I just made all these appointments coming up. So now all those would go to appointments. Now if I change, let's say change this back to, a lead, two of these to leads, now the appointments got smaller. We've had some more in the leads. So it automatically looks there. You just have to adjust the data tab. And yeah, now it's available in Excel. So this is just a quick update. I'm not doing a full overview video update for this on the purchase page, but I just am doing an update post. Now I'll show you which one I'm talking about here. Let me go to the site. So it's this one, and you can see the clarifications here for the Excel version. It's only $45 one-time fee still, and you get access to both. Now this is part of the sales pipeline bundle as well. If you look down here, the sales pipeline management sheets, this is the one I just updated with an Excel version. There's also one, two, three, four, five other ones. And this one is really cool. The car salesman customer manager. If you have anybody that is in a car dealership or any sales people in this industry, this template will help them stay organized and track their performance. It even has its own scheduler in it. It's really cool. So there's some awesome logic in this one as well. And this is built in Google Sheets and Excel. So there's two versions of this one as well. And again, you can buy the whole bundle of all the sales pipeline managers for $149, which is there's a lot of value here. There's a lot of nice stuff, and keep you more organized. It will increase your sales. You're not going to miss things. You're going to be able to keep things organized in your head better. You can review things at the end of the day or end of the week better, uh, and just review what's going on with your pipeline. Alrighty, well that's all I got for you. Oh, don't forget, you can also check out all the models on smarthelping.com. For $9.99, you can buy everything I've ever built. Alrighty, that's all I got for you on this update, and I'll probably see you guys next week on the live stream.